For this video, I'm headed down to beautiful Inverness, Florida, so I can take you on a full tour of Ziggy's Haven Parrot Sanctuary. So I've filmed a couple bird sanctuaries over the years, but this is the first time I ever filmed one that specializes in parrots. And parrots are kind of a really unique experience when it comes to interacting with the animals. What's neat about parrots is just about everyone, whichever cage you walk up to, they are talking to you. And it's hello, how's it going, you look pretty, all kinds of stuff like that. And it's just a fun, unique experience, and I gotta tell you, I can understand why they're so passionate about parrots here at Ziggy's Haven. So Ziggy's Haven is a 501c nonprofit that has been operating in Inverness for almost 20 years now, and as you can see, they have a beautiful facility. And the other thing I'd like to point out too is they are a parrot rescue and adoption center. So all the animals that are outside in the large cages, those are the ones that aren't up for adoption. But if you go inside the building and walk around, all the animals that are in cages inside, those are the ones that are up for adoption. So you might pay attention and, pay Ziggy's a visit if you see any animals on the inside that you might be interested in taking home with you as a pet. Ziggy's also kind of functions almost as a tourist attraction for Inverness. I went on the $5 educational tour, and that tour lasts about an hour where they walk around the grounds outside and explain the different characteristics and traits of the different breeds of animals, and they show you how they feed the animals and all kinds of stuff. So it's pretty much what you would expect from a zoo. It definitely gives you that zoo experience. And again, it's just neat to interact with parrots. They're just such a amazing animal, and they're highly intelligent, and just the fact that they can mimic speech, they can learn quite a few words, and it's not like a full conversation, but they're clever enough. You can definitely see the intelligence when you're interacting with them, and considering the size of their brains and how smart they are, they're just a remarkable animal. I learned a heck of a lot on the educational tour. I didn't realize there were 372 different species of parrots. I also learned that a parrot can learn up to 1,000 words. The larger birds, like the African gray, are known for having these really large vocabularies, so they're just really cool birds. So what's my bottom line for Ziggy's Haven? This is a really beautiful nonprofit, and if you're as passionate about birds as I am, I definitely suggest you take a visit, maybe even go on the $5 tour. And if you're a bird lover, there are quite a few volunteer opportunities available, which is a great way to interact with the animals and learn more about them. Thanks for watching this episode of The Adventure Schmuck. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See everyone next week.